I'm Dr. Lorraine Corriveau, primary care veterinarian at the Purdue Veterinary Hospital, associated with Purdue University. We know that you're going to share food with your pet. About 60% of you do, so you're not fooling us. But here are some tips to help make it safe for your pet. So consider the white meat of the turkey as an appropriate treat for your pet. Avoid the skins, avoid the dark meat, just because they may be a little bit higher in fat that could cause some GI upset, some diarrhea or vomiting, or even pancreatitis. Any leftovers that you have in the house really should be wrapped up and put away. Don't leave that trash can out because these little guys, their sense of smell, they're going to find it. You know, things that might have the smell of it on there, like the string around the turkey, those foils that you use to wrap those things, you know, they're going to be in the trash can, and they can cause a lot of harm when they're going through the GI tract, especially those strings. So making sure that we bundle everything up, put it out so it's not even in the same area that the pet can get to, really, really important. You know, if you're going to feed other foods, definitely stay away from raisins, grapes. Those can cause our kidney failure in our little critters. Stay away from doughs that might be rising. So as those doughs are rising in the bowl on the table, they can also rise in the stomach of your dog. So please be careful with those. Anything containing onions, garlic, that kind of thing should also be avoided in our pets. And then sugar-free stuff. So, you know, there are some people that have to have sugar-free, and while that's good for people, it's not good for our pets. That xylitol that's in a lot of those sugar-free products can actually cause a very fatal low blood glucose in our animals, and then could even lead to some kidney liver failures. Then, you know, we do have things in the house like our Christmas tree that has ornaments on it. And so those ornaments can definitely cause some issues for our pets if they were to swing their little tail or bat at them like the little kitties do and knock them on the ground. And then you've got pieces of, you know, glass or plastic that could be causing some injury to our pet. And obviously, if it's a priceless heirloom, don't put it closer to the bottom of the tree. Not a good idea. And then all of those electrical cords that you're plugging things in with, make sure that they aren't able to get chewed on by our dogs and cats to cause any kind of electrocution problems. And then did you know that some of the plants are actually toxic to our pets? So hollies, lilies, especially toxic to our kitty cats. And then our poinsettias, where, you know, we used to think, oh, poinsettia is super toxic, but we really know that really they're just not as bad as the lilies. Lilies really, really bad, but the poinsettias may cause some GI upset, but not nearly as bad as those lilies in our kitty cats. So just, you know, be aware of what plants that you have in the house. Maybe try to avoid areas where the cat can get to them, so put them in safe places that the animals can't chew on them. You know, people going in and out of the house might be a prime opportunity for these guys to go and sneak outside, and then you don't realize that they snuck outside, and so then you're having to catch them and hunt them down sometimes. That doesn't make for a fun holiday season when you're out looking for your pet that ran out the door.